Well, Mother's Day is this coming weekend, and if you haven't bought Mom a gift, don't worry. Don't worry. We've got you back this noon with a look at what's popular this year and ways that you can save a little money also. News 8's Brian Spiros talked with the experts.
3 days and counting until we celebrate the mothers in our lives.
We often see that people do wait last minute to get gifts for mom.
Danielle Consiglio is the marketing manager at Westfield Connecticut Post in Milford.
From the National Retail Federation, we found that mom definitely wants gifts that she's actually going to use.
And there are several popular items this year that mom is sure to appreciate and use. If she spends a lot of time in the kitchen, the Ninja blender may be a good idea.
They chop, they blend, they crush ice. Moms definitely want them, and they're affordable. You can get one for $39 at Target.
Personalized gifts are another option, some of which are less than $20.
You can go into Things Remembered and you can engrave different items, and they'll engrave while you shop.
If your mom is all about style, there's jewelry and scarves, not to mention purses. Consiglio says the ones with separate compartments are the trend right now.
And before you head out the door to buy a gift, there are a few things you should keep in mind that can actually help you save money.
You'll find some of the best deals in the mall's anchor stores. Also, like the mall's Facebook page to see special sales and promotions. And signing up for emails from your favorite stores will get you daily deals. Finally, store windows may help you find what you're looking for.
So as you walk by a lot of the storefronts now, you'll see that they have some of the mom-friendly merchandise in the forefront and some of their best sellers.
Of course, at the end of the day, it's all about the thought that counts. Reporting from Milford, Brian Spiros, News 8.